7th at 5 p.m. Eastern on CNBC. Men's 800 meters is where we transition to. And we can't get too far away from last week's Army performance without still talking about Bryce Hoppel.
The 2020 indoor champion in this event. He made it on the team to the Tokyo Olympic Games, where he got to the semifinals and in fact was quite unlucky to not make the final. Here is Kyle Langford. He represents Great Britain. He's 26. In fact, he just turned 26 this week. The Commonwealth Games silver medalist from 2018. But Hoppel definitely starts at favorite here. He's the only person under 145 in the field with 144.37. The world lead is his with 146.06. And that was set at the Army, at the Melrose Games.
And as we get underway, you look in lane 2. That is Will Sumner of Woodstock, Georgia. Already this year has set high school records in 500 and 600 meters, and he has come to Staten Island to try to take down Josh Hoey's 147.67 national high school record. He'll show patience at the start, running from the back.
So the pacing has been asked to be 50.5. The women's pacing was just about perfect, 57.8 when 58 was required. Let's see how well Mr. Hawthorne does here in bringing them through in 50.5. Nobody really keeping close contact with him right now, even though Hoppel is nearest.
Behind Hoppel in third position there is the Spaniard Mariano García, 3-time the Spanish champion. As they're halfway through this race at 51.39, Hoppel just about a second back.
So the Pacers about a second and change off, but Hoppel now in the driver's seat with the lead, and everybody else sort of focusing in on his back and planning their moves.
And they come down the main straightaway for the penultimate time, and they'll hear the bell. Hoppel in the lead.
So we've seen Hoppel in the past. He has the ability to hold this kind of lead, but he is being challenged here.
As Garcia takes the lead over Hoppel in a bit of a surprise. Yeah, and Hoppel doesn't have anything to respond to.
No, he has no response, and in fact, Hoppel has to guard that second position he's in now. He'll hold on for that, but it's all Garcia.
At 145.12, and another sort of shocked and surprised result from another Spaniard winning here today, and a new national record.
So this will make some headlines back in Spain. He's a 3-time Spanish champion this event. He ran the mile at the Melrose Games last week. Of course, that's a little longer than he's used to doing. He finished in 7th there, but you talk about timing your kick perfectly. He went after Hoppel down the backstretch for the last time. And Hoppel had no response, and neither did anybody else. Look at this kick. He is pulling away and looked like he could have gone another lap if possible. Phenomenal race by Garcia, and he gets a personal best for his efforts. Look at the effort on the face, but not breaking form. That's what you want to see. Lots of effort, lots of form. Personal best.
We've seen a trio of Spanish flags on the top of the results already today. Mariano Garcia, new national record, the fastest time in the world this year. The high schooler Will Sumner just off the high school record, finishing in 6th. Garcia with the win here at Ocean Breeze.